Have you heard people talking about their coin collections and wondered how you could get started on your own? Or perhaps you've seen an interesting coin story in the news and it's given you the collecting bug. Well, Change Checker is on hand with 7 helpful tips on how you can start collecting. It might sound obvious, but in order to start collecting coins, you need to be using cash. Where possible, ask for your change to be given in the denomination of the coin that you want to start collecting. For example, please could you give me my change in 50p's? Take a close look at the coins that you've been given. Just because they don't immediately jump out at you as a special coin doesn't mean they aren't worth collecting. Some of the most sought after coins look very similar to standard definitive coins, like the undated 20p, which is considered as the holy grail in the collecting world, or the 2017 Royal Shield 50p. Use the Change Checker app to identify your coin. Select the denomination and then the year to bring up your coin. This will show you the coin's mintage figure and some interesting facts about it too. You can then add this to your online Change Checker collection to keep track of what coins you might be missing. If you do think your coin is particularly unique, perhaps it doesn't have a date on it or the Queen's head is rotated, then it is worthwhile doing some research. Every keen collector knows that it is worthwhile paying close attention to the small details of your coins. It's the only way you can ever hope to spot an error. However, it is also important to know when you do have a genuine rarity. You can find out if your coin is an error or a rare coin by searching it on the Change Checker blog. As your collection starts to build, you might want to think about how you'll store your coins. Well, Change Checker has a range of different collecting kits to help you. The Change Checker album has helpful pocket pages and ID cards so that when you find a coin in your change, you can just slot it in. But one of the best tips that we do have for people wanting to build their collection is to swap with other collectors. You might have a coin that another collector wants, so you can just do a like-for-like trade. Either use the Change Checker Swap Centre on our web app or head to the Change Checker community group on Facebook. So there we have it, Change Checker's 7 helpful tips on how you can start collecting today. So what are you waiting for? You never know what treasure you could discover in your change. And remember, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to stay up to date with all the latest from us.